Today we're checking out 3 very useful Parkside tools that can seriously upgrade your workshop setup. From powerful locking pliers to smart magnetic holders, this lineup covers grip, control, and organization. Let's start with the first tool. The Parkside locking pliers set with a 49mm jaw capacity. Right out of the box, these pliers feel solid and well built. The metal construction is heavy-duty, giving you confidence that they can handle serious pressure without bending or slipping. The jaws are designed to grip firmly on a wide variety of shapes, whether you're working with round pipes, flat surfaces, or even damaged bolts. The adjustment screw at the back allows you to fine-tune the grip depending on the material you're working with. Once locked in place, the mechanism holds tight, so you don't need constant pressure with your hand. That's a huge advantage when you're working in tight spaces or need both hands free. The quick-release lever works smoothly and lets you disengage instantly without struggling. This is especially useful when you're doing repetitive tasks or switching between different sizes. Overall, this 49mm locking plier set is perfect for general use, from DIY repairs to more demanding workshop jobs. It's reliable, strong, and very easy to use. Now moving on to the next tool, the Parkside locking pliers set with a slightly larger 51mm jaw capacity. This version takes everything from the previous one and gives you just a bit more reach and flexibility. That extra jaw capacity makes a real difference when you're dealing with larger pipes, thicker materials, or more demanding applications. Again, the build quality is exactly what you expect from Parkside. Solid steel construction, durable finish, and a strong locking mechanism that holds under pressure. The grip is aggressive enough to stay in place without damaging the material unnecessarily. The adjustment system is smooth and precise, allowing you to dial in the exact pressure you need. Whether you're clamping something delicate or applying maximum force, this tool adapts easily. What really stands out here is versatility. This 51mm version is ideal when the smaller pliers just aren't enough. It gives you that extra capacity without sacrificing control or comfort. If you're working on automotive repairs, plumbing, or heavy-duty DIY projects, this is definitely a tool you'll appreciate having in your collection. And now for the final product, 5-inch magnetic holders, designed specifically for welding applications. These are not just simple magnetic tool holders. They are built to help you position and hold metal pieces in place while welding, making your work faster, more accurate, and much easier. Each magnet is strong enough to securely hold steel parts at precise angles, allowing you to keep both hands free during the welding process. This is extremely useful when you're working alone and need stability without clamps. They are typically used to hold metal pieces at common angles like 45, 90, or 135 degrees. Whether you're building a frame, aligning pipes, or working on a custom metal project, these magnets give you the support you need. The build is solid and durable, designed to withstand workshop conditions. The magnetic force is strong enough to keep parts from moving, but still allows repositioning when needed. Another big advantage is speed. Instead of struggling to hold pieces manually or setting up complicated clamps, you can quickly place the magnets, align your parts, and start welding immediately. They're compact, easy to store, and incredibly practical for any welding setup. If you're doing metal fabrication, repairs, or DIY welding projects, these magnetic holders are a game changer. They improve accuracy, save time, and make the entire process much more efficient.